guys, welcome back to the 12 days of Christmas. Stay Scout. Today Scout is going to take over because life is kind of crazy and we just had my big birthday bash last night and the house is kind of a mess. So we're going to do a Scout-ified Christmas fashion show. Hit that subscribe button.
Yeah.
Thumbs up this video. Let's watch Scout's fashion show.
Okay.
High five. I just want to remind you guys, stay tuned to the end of this video to hear about today's giveaway. for day 11 of the 12 Days of Christmas giveaways, of course we had to get a dog brand on board. We have the Farmer's Dog dog food that is so yummy, so nutritious, and it's great packaging, which you know I'm a fan of. If you guys want to click the link below, if you have a pet or a friend who has a pet that you'd like to win some free dog food, go click that link, enter to win, learn all about it, and good luck!
Well guys, thanks for watching.
If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That way Scout stops putting her ball underneath the sofa. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And be sure to thumbs up this video. And also, we want to know what you're doing for Christmas. So, leave us a comment below. Tell us what your holiday plans are. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.